Hello everyone. Today we will disassemble the internal unit of the Greekular 4.6 kilowatts air conditioner. This is an important process that will help you better understand how your air conditioner works and what to do in case you need to disassemble or repair it. Let's start with unpacking. Cut the ribbons and open the package. In the middle we find the remote control for the air conditioner. Behind the protective film is a package with a warranty, instructions and batteries. We remove the film, turn it over and begin to disassemble the air conditioner. To begin with, we will remove the blinds of the direction of the airflow. Usually 4 latches need to be thrown away, so be careful not to damage anything. Next, we pull the blinds forward. They are very easy to remove. Let's remove the front panel. It usually just needs to be pulled on you as shown in the video. Then remove the display by unscrewing one screw. We unscrew the cover that hides the electronics. The next step is to disconnect the front panel. We lift and remove the filter. It is the part of the air conditioner that collects the most dust. It can be washed and cleaned. Regular cleaning or replacement of the filter is important to ensure efficient operation of the air conditioner and clean air. Next, we will remove the main body of the air conditioner. We unscrew 5 screws. The number may be different in different models, but the location is the same. We weigh the case as shown in the video and remove it. This is where the electronic components are located. It is important to be careful here and avoid damaging the wires and boards. This is very important. This evaporator is an internal radiator through which the refrigerant passes after condensation. It absorbs heat from the air in the room, cooling it. These blinds are used to regulate the direction of the airflow coming out of the air conditioner. Blinds can be horizontal and vertical, allowing to change the flow direction in different planes. Here we see the turbine of the air conditioner. It is the fan that is responsible for circulating the air through the heat exchanger in the indoor unit of the air conditioner. It takes air from the room, passes it through filters and a heat exchanger, and supplies cooled or heated air back into the room. The turbine consists of a shaft and blades that rotate to create an airflow. Its work is important for effective air distribution and maintaining a comfortable temperature in the room. Having turned the air conditioner over, we can see the plate on the back of which the internal unit of the air conditioner is attached. Behind the plate we see a condensate tube. Copper pipes to which the installation is connected. This is what the indoor unit looks like from the inside. I hope this video helps you better understand how to take apart and care for your air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel if the video was useful. See you in the next issues.